Okay, good morning class 5. So today we are going to read your chapter 5 of moral science book, okay, which is empathy and sympathy. So before starting the chapter, you must know what is empathy and sympathy. Empathy means when you share the feelings, okay, when you share the sorrows and misfortunes of others, when you understand them. And sympathy is just when you feel bad for them, okay, when you just feel bad for somebody's misfortune, that is sympathy. Okay, so one day in the evening, Mukesh was going through a pet shop in the market. As he passed by the shop, suddenly he saw a big display board which displayed puppies for sale. So one day in evening, this boy Mukesh was passing through a road, okay, through a market in which there was a pet shop which had a board which displayed, okay, puppies for sale. Puppies for sale was written on that board, okay, and it was hanging. So he was very interested, okay, he got interested in it. He entered the shop and said to the shopkeeper, "Sir, I want to purchase one of your puppies." So he said that, "I want to buy one of your puppies." Okay. "Sure," replied the shopkeeper, and called his daughter Anita to show the puppies they had in the shop. So this shopkeeper called his daughter Anita and told her to show the puppies that they had in the shop. These puppies were really very cute. Mukesh touched each one of them with great interest. Okay, so he touched each one of them with very great interest and he was very interested in buying one of those. Okay, they were very, very cute. Anita put the puppies on the smooth ground to let those puppies show themselves to the buyer. So she took out the puppies from the, cage and she put them on the smooth ground so that, the buyer could see them. Those puppies started to walk towards the fence, looking as small balls of cotton, very soft. Okay, so they started running towards the fence. At the time when Mukesh was admiring those puppies, he suddenly noticed that the smallest puppy was not able to walk properly. So he noticed that the smallest of the puppies was not able to walk. Puppy is the baby of dog. I'm sure you know that, right? We call them puppies. Was not able to walk properly. He was limping. He was not able to walk. Okay, he was limping, walking with difficulty, far behind the rest of the puppies. So he was very behind, okay, and he was trying his best to walk properly, but he was not able to. So the buyer said, "I need that one. I feel only it would be my best friend," replied Mukesh, pointing towards the puppy. So he said that, "I want that puppy, the smallest one who is not able to walk properly. He can be my best friend." Then the shopkeeper politely smiled and replied, "My dear, I am 100% sure you don't need that puppy. It will never be in a position to play with you as the remaining puppies would." Listening to this, Mukesh went one step back from the fence and started to roll up his left leg of his trousers. He showed a steel brace at both sides of his leg, which was attached to the shoe. Turning back at the shopkeeper, he said, "You see, sir, I also cannot run too well by myself, and it can be felt by someone who properly understands it." So this boy said that, "I want that puppy." So the shopkeeper said that, "I am sure कि आपको ये वाला puppy तो बिल्कुल नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि ये बाकी puppies की तरह के साथ खेल नहीं पाएगा, because he cannot walk properly, he will limp." So listening to this, Mukesh went one step back and he said that, so he lifted up his trousers, okay, and he showed the braces, the steel brace at both sides of his left leg, okay. So he said, "You see, sir, even I cannot run. मैं भी नहीं दौड़ सकता हूँ, ठीक है, और ये चीज़ वही समझ पाएगा जो ये चीज़ फील करता है. So I really want that dog. I really want that puppy." Okay. So empathy generates permanent result while sympathy gives temporary solution. So he understood that, it's not only sympathy, like उसको सिर्फ बुरा नहीं लगा, उसने उसको अपनाया भी, he shared his misfortune. He took that puppy only because, both of them could share their feelings, right? So the moral we get from this story is that empathy generates permanent result while sympathy will only give you temporary. You will only feel bad for that person for a while, not always. But empathy is when you try to share and you try to console them. Okay, so that's it for this chapter.